I don't think people really understand how significant this change in the law is. And now the days for having your driver's license suspended as a result of missing court are done. So I'm going to tell you now the history of the law and why there are no more license suspensions for missing court in New Jersey. Hi, my name is Daniel M. Rosenberg. I'm a criminal defense attorney and the founding partner of Rosenberg, Perry & Associates. And one of the most significant detriments to being involved in the municipal court system has been removed, and that is the suspension of your license for failing to appear in court. So one of the common frustrating questions that I would be asked is, so Daniel, you're telling me if I miss court, they can just suspend my license? Well, yeah, they could do that. And they did it for years, until recently. So prior to 2021, when an individual had a municipal court matter and they failed to appear, a judge would issue a FTA, a failure to appear notice. And then the judge had two options to enforce that failure to appear. One, they can issue a warrant. Second, they can suspend your driving privileges until you show up to court. Now, as a result, if an individual missed court, their license immediately suspended. Now, they're supposed to get notice in the mail that their license is suspended, but that's not necessarily the most timely way to notify someone. So very frequently, someone would miss court, they'd be driving down the road, they'd get stopped, they get a driving while suspended ticket. So in addition to their speeding ticket or whatever they were dealing with in municipal court, they now have a new ticket for driving while suspended. By the way, that new ticket carries with it a $500 fine for a first offense, up to 6-month suspension of your driving privileges, and by the way, you have to pay $100 to get your driving privileges reinstated. So now when you go to court, you've got 2 traffic matters and you have to get your driving privileges reinstated before you come back to court. So this was the law. Why was it happening? Well, the rationale behind it was if someone was failing to appear to court, then the best way to get their attention was to suspend their driving privileges, and if they can't operate a motor vehicle, then clearly they know that they have to address something in the municipal court. So now that you have an idea of what used to go on in municipal court, let me talk to you about the recent change in the law that no longer allows municipal court judges to suspend your license for failing to appear in court. In January of 2021, the New Jersey Supreme Court ordered that all municipal court judges cease suspending license for failures to appear. Soon thereafter, the New Jersey legislature repealed the statute that gave municipal court judges the authority to suspend your license for failing to come to court. So what's the result? This is extremely beneficial to municipal court litigants. That means that if you fail to appear in court, you are no longer getting your license suspended. That's tremendously beneficial because you're still allowed to operate a motor vehicle. You can still go to work, you can still come to court. The flip side to that is now courts are dealing with an issue of trying to get individuals to come to court when they fail to appear. In essence, they used to have a sword to swing. I could suspend your license and get your full and complete attention. You have to come to court now. Without the license suspension, they still can issue a warrant. But a lot of municipal court judges are not inclined to issue a warrant, which would require you to be arrested. Now, this is a significant change in the law because for decades, if you miss court, you're losing your license. That comes with potential additional charges, a restoration fee, all that is gone. So if you, a friend or family member has been charged with a municipal court offense, please contact our office. We'll take the time we need to assess your situation and give you blunt and candid advice. And if you like what you've seen in this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if there's a topic you'd like to learn more about, please contact our office or leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about it. We are criminal trial attorneys. We have your back. That's what we do.